Start your adventure in Rockport, the historic heart of Thousand Islands. This charming village, 200 years old, invites you on a journey through time. From here, you'll continue your trip by boat and dive into a world of thousands of islands. The Thousand Islands, located at the outflow of Lake Ontario into the St. Lawrence River, are a true natural wonder. With 1,864 islands, the name says it all. During your journey through this unique archipelago, which spans the border between Canada and the United States, you'll feel like you are in another world. Did you know that the famous Thousand Islands dressings originated in this region? They say it was invented here and made the islands world famous. The idyllic wooden houses, small beaches and lush vegetation remind you of the romantic scaries of Scandinavia. But you are in the middle of Canada. This fascinating mix of Nordic charm and Canadian wilderness makes the Thousand Islands an unforgettable destination. One site stands out: Boldt Castle. This fairy tale castle, built at the end of the 19th century by the Boldt family, transports its visitors to another time. Its architecture is strongly reminiscent of European castles and makes you hardly believe you are in North America. On the neighboring island of Wellesley Island, you'll find the former boathouse of the Boldt family. Today it houses a museum of historic yachts and offers insights into the maritime history of the region. And there's the smallest inhabited island in the world here. On Hub Island, there's just one house. They say a businessman built it for his mother-in-law next to his house on another island. She couldn't swim and so couldn't visit him. With these last images, we say goodbye. Greetings to everyone wherever you are.